super fast and great quick result. This is the Cali White Deluxe teeth whitening system. This is super cool. This has no fluoride in it. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. It's as natural as it's gonna get for a product like this, and it's made in the USA, which is also super important. Having something like this that is a pretty intense product to come from somewhere that's trusted is huge. This is the universal mouthpiece, and it does come with another one that you can mold your teeth with. The universal one works fine. It's guaranteed to give you anywhere between like 2 to 8 shades brighter. So if you use all 10 treatments, you're probably gonna get it about 7 to 8 shades brighter. This comes off, so you can wash this and then reuse it. So you just take that off, rinse it out, wash it out with a little bit of soap, and then this you will just wipe down. And then just sticks on the top so it fits right back in there whenever you're ready to use it again. Definitely recommend one of these if you maybe drink a lot of coffee or a little bit too much red wine, which I think we sometimes all do that. Get yourself some Cali White teeth whitening.